Have you ever noticed that your cat possesses superpowers, much like the superhuman reflexes of Spider-Man, the lightning-fast speed of the Flash, or even the size manipulation abilities of Ant-Man? Well, your kitties may not save the world, but these 7 cat superpowers may still blow your mind. Superpower number 1, super sense of smell. If you think that dogs should be the ones having this super sense of smell, you're not wrong. Since dogs have up to 300 million olfactory receptors compared to 200 million in cats. Humans? Roughly 5 million. That's why a cat's sense of smell can still be far better than that of humans. But get this, cats are actually better at smelling than dogs in some ways. Recent research shows cats might be better at telling different smells apart. You see, in noses of mammals, there are special scent receptor proteins. There's one kind called V1R that helps us tell one smell from another. Humans have 2 forms of these proteins, dogs have 9, and here's the surprising part. Cats have a stunning 30. While dogs are skilled at detecting substances in very low concentration, cats can tell more different smells apart. Here's another fact that may surprise you. Cats have a special smell decoder hidden in the roof of their mouths. It's called the Jacobson's organ. When cats do that funny open-mouth sniffing thing, they're using this organ to get an even deeper smell of whatever's around. Superpower number 2, super riding reflex. Have you heard about the myth that cats always land on their feet? Cats have this superpower called riding reflex, allowing their bodies twist and turn in midair, righting themselves before hitting the ground, and save them from most of the falls. Cats can do this trick because their backbone is really flexible, and they have something called a vestibular apparatus inside their ears that help them balance and know which way is up. Cats then swiftly turn their head and their body follows. This riding reflex starts as early as 3 weeks old. By the time they're 6 to 7 weeks old, they've totally mastered it. Most cats can safely do this from a height of around 12 inches. But remember, it's not a good idea to test this at home. Please don't try throwing your cat from high places. Although cats have this super riding reflex, they can still get injured or suffer bone fractures from extreme falls. We all know, even superheroes may die in certain situations. Superpower number 3, super squeezing power. Cats can wiggle and squeeze through gaps that seem impossible. It's like they're part contortionist, part escape artist. Their secret lies in their incredibly flexible spines, which are as adaptable as a bendy straw. But that's not all. Cats possess another extraordinary feature. Their collarbones are detached and free-floating. Unlike us humans, their collarbone is hidden in shoulder muscles and doesn't connect to other bones. This lets them squeeze through even the tiniest spots. So next time you're wondering how your furry friend managed to disappear into the tiniest corner, remember it's not magic, but their remarkable flexibility and that special free-floating collarbone that give them the power of super squeezing. Superpower number 4, night vision. Next up is their remarkable night vision. Cats have corneas and pupils much larger than humans, allowing about 7 times more light to enter their eyes. Additionally, they possess a higher number of rod cells, and their pupils can dilate to full circles, which lets them see exceptionally well in dim lighting. This superpower helps them navigate in the darkness with ease, and their glowing eyes only add to the mystique. Actually, their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light back through their retinas. That's why cats' eyes appear to glow in the dark, and this gives them better ability to see under low light condition. It's like having built-in flashlights for those late-night adventures. Superpower number 5, super quick reactions. Cats are known for their lightning-quick reactions, which are essential for stalking prey and escaping predators. Their nervous systems are wired for speed, making them some of the most agile creatures on the planet. Cats also possess a high proportion of fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for rapid and forceful movements. These muscle fibers enable them to generate quick bursts of speed and power. A cat's reaction time is around 100 milliseconds, much faster than a human's 200 to 250 milliseconds. Cats are basically like the Flash. Sometimes you can only clearly see what they did in slow-motion videos. You can see just how crazy fast when cats have to fight against a snake. Superpower number 6. Purr-fect healing power. Here's an intriguing superpower: cat purring. While it's a familiar sound, the purpose of a cat's purr goes beyond mere contentment. Cats often purr when they're injured or stressed, and this vibration frequency, around 25 to 150 hertz, has been suggested to have potential healing properties, aiding in the recovery of bones and tissues. Cats create the purring sound by rapidly moving the muscles in their voice box, larynx, and the muscles in the lower part of their chest, diaphragm. These muscles move around 20 to 30 times in a single second. As the cat breathes, the air touches these vibrating muscles, creating the purring sound. It's as if they're sending out small waves of healing comfort, which makes purring one of the most amazing cat superpowers. Superpower number 7. Heart-stealing power. Now here's a superpower that doesn't involve leaping tall buildings or seeing in the dark, but it's just as incredible. The power to melt hearts, and yes, even manipulate us to do their bidding. While it's not the kind of mind control you see in movies, they have their own unique way of getting what they want. Have you ever noticed how a cat's soft meow or a gentle nudge can make us give in to their requests? Just one look into those big, soulful eyes, or the sound of their gentle purring, can have an almost magical effect. If that magic works well on you, you may want to join us for the next video to learn more about the world of cats. See you there.